Hello and welcome to eGames. Are you a Free Fire lover and you want to know how to install the game on your phone? If yes, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to quickly install Free Fire on your phone. Open the Google Play Store, go to the search bar and then press for Free Fire. Press on install, wait a minute, and your Free Fire will be installed shortly. As you can see, the free file is installing. Wait for a while and you are ready to play the game. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.